Today, I'll show you how to redeem an eBay gift card. Whether you're new to online shopping or simply need a refresher, this guide will ensure you can make the most out of your gift card and enjoy a smooth shopping experience. First things first, let's head to eBay's website. Open your web browser and type in ebay.com. Press enter and you'll be directed to the homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account to ensure everything goes smoothly. If you don't have an account, it's a good idea to create one to keep track of your purchases and make future transactions easier. Now that we're on the homepage, it's time to find something you'd like to buy. Use the search bar at the top of the page to look for a product. You can type in anything you're interested in, from electronics to clothing, and then press enter. This will bring up a list of items that match your search criteria. Take your time browsing through the options and select a product that catches your eye. Once you've found something you're ready to buy, click on the item to open its detailed view. In this detailed view, you'll find more information about the product, such as the price, seller details, and shipping options. If you're satisfied with everything and ready to proceed with your purchase, look for the Buy It Now button. Clicking this will take you to the checkout page where you can finalize your purchase. On the checkout page, it might feel a bit overwhelming with all the details, but don't worry, we're here to focus on redeeming your gift card. As you scroll down the page, keep an eye out for a section labeled Gift Cards and Coupons. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll find an input box specifically for redeeming your gift card. Take out your eBay gift card and locate the code, which is typically found on the back of the card. Scratch off the protective covering if necessary, and carefully enter the code into the input box on the checkout page. Double check to ensure there are no typos or errors, as even a small mistake can prevent the code from being accepted. Once you've entered the code, simply click the Apply button. If the code is valid, you'll see the gift card amount deducted from your total purchase price. This confirms that the gift card has been successfully redeemed. If there happens to be any issue with the code, make sure to check the details on the card again or contact eBay's customer service for assistance. And there you have it, you've successfully redeemed your eBay gift card and are ready to complete your purchase. Review the remaining balance to ensure everything is correct, and then go ahead and finalize your order. Remember, using a gift card is a fantastic way to make your shopping more affordable, so enjoy finding great deals and making the most out of your gift card. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to redeem an eBay gift card. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to explore eBay's help section or reach out to their support team. Happy shopping!